Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Maxima. This powerful Maxima delivers family-focused security and serious driving pleasure on every journey. Whether you love it for its aggressive performance, spacious comfort, or suite of safety and infotainment tech, this full-size sports sedan excites and delights wherever it goes. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Aggressively sporty yet comfortably confident, that's the Maxima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.